Hi.
Hi.
Where are we?
What does it look like?
Looks like a doctor's office.
I feel bad.
Huh?
I feel bad.
Don't feel bad. We gotta do this so you can start school.
I know that.
They're just gonna make sure that you're nice and healthy.
That's it? Am I healthy?
You are very healthy.
Well, why do they want to know? Not like there's just some kid who wants to know.
Just so that they can give me a paper saying Brendan is 100% healthy.
Will they say that?
Then I get to take it to the school.
Really?
Yep.
Is it bad?
No, I get to take it to the school.
Oh, I thought you meant a cop took it to slow down.
No. I love you.
Me too.
We're just waiting for the doctor to come in, huh? What are you doing?
I'm showing the airplane. He's Dusty. We're going to go see the next Dusty.
Oh, nice.
And look at my Ninja Turtles. I love Ninja Turtles.
Yeah. I love you.
I love you.
Bye.
Bye.
Booga, how old are you?
5. 5. Bye.
What's happening today? Shots?
Tell me about it.
Yeah. But hey, they're not gonna hurt like last time, okay? They're gonna make you really strong and healthy. Okay?
Bye.
Bye, baby. I love you.